One thing that makes it hard to learn just about any language is that the rules that apply to one language might not necessarily apply to another language. So you get things that are lost in translation. In particular, the O noun tense marker. I'm going to use the UMA cards to show you what I'm talking about. Grab a stack of the red cards. These are the nouns or the subjects, people, places, things, or ideas. Then also grab a stack of the yellow cards. These are called the limiters. These are words like a, some, my, your, and they limit the noun. Because in Samoan, if you just say the noun, technically it's plural. So we have to limit it to my door, the door, a door, some doors, and so forth. Also, pick out this O noun tense marker. We don't do this in English, so in translation, we just drop it. But technically, it means it is. It's presenting the noun phrase. It is the person, o le tangata. It is the house, o le fale. It is the store, o le fale oloa. It is the boy, o le tama. But in translation, we just say the person, the house, the store, the boy. So that's what this O is. It's just presenting the noun phrase. Now try mixing up your limiters. The house, o le fale. A house, o se fale. Some houses, o ni fale. My house, o lo ufale. And you don't need the cards for the exercise. Just write your O and then make your list of limiters and then mix and match them up with your nouns. And above all, practice.